Wait, where'd you get a bat from?
Don't worry about it. Okay, well, we love this kid to death, right? His alarm clock goes off every morning 2 hours before we're supposed to get up. For 30 minutes, he doesn't get up. So this is the noise it makes. So we're gonna make it explode. Ty, stop talking to me.
You gotta make sure it's a long ways.
Are you... Say bye to it. I can't, it's gonna be so mad. Ready? Go. Run fast! Wait, come get damaged.
No more alarm clock. No, let's bring it back to him.
Just take it in the Walmart and say it broke.